Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number. Traveling. Grabe yung bata na mag-winner ka na sana. Time out. Selection. Wala na po pala Rep, wala na po. Wala na po time out. Nakadalawa na po sila. First half. While for them begin po ang selection. Inanong rin po namin yung kanina. Dapat tatayuin yun na, yung nakagin na, nakakasunod. Jersey number 16. Ryan's pass jersey number 39. Isa na lang po time out ng Homies. Jersey number 1. Borja pass jersey number steal by jersey number 38. Cross the ball to the cross. Jersey number 1 pass jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 dribbling the ball. I'll pass it to the jersey number 4. Jersey number 16. Hines pass jersey number 28. Back up with jersey number 6. Pass jersey number 4. Back with jersey number 1. Para na bola jersey number 1. 2 points. Jersey number 16. Pass jersey number. Wait, number jersey number 11. Alvesta. Jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 dribbling the ball. Pass jersey number. Robin. Shot. Jersey number 16, Vines. Pass jersey number. Baka na jersey number 9. Pass jersey number 18. Jersey number 13. Nagdadalawang isap, no good. Baka na jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Basta sarado. Pass jersey number 11. Alvesta tumira ng press no good. Naka jersey number 62 Reyes. Jersey number 62 dribbling the ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Jersey number 62. Jersey number 4 pass jersey number 28. Pass jersey number 16. Kubira, no good. Baka na jersey number 8 para Rituas. Julian no good. Baka na jersey number. Baka na jersey number 9. Number 1. Pass jersey number 0 2.2. Wala po ng shot na pass ito lang yan. 20 seconds to play. Jersey number 16. Bagyan. Pass jersey number. Nagano ka ni jersey number. Baka na jersey number 11. Alvesta shooting the ball back to 10 seconds. Jersey number 11. Nakakuha na pa. Foul jersey number 24. Pushing foul.
Maligtas ah. Na-foul ko.
Jersey number 24. Second personal foul. And second and last try for jersey number 11 is good also. 6.5 seconds. 6.5 seconds to play.